In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank to QuickBooks Online Payroll to pay taxes and employees. Now, linking your bank account with QuickBooks is an essential step to seamlessly manage your financial transactions, from paying taxes to ensuring your employees are compensated on time. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You'll want to sign in to start this process. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your QuickBooks account information handy. Once logged in, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. It's important to ensure you're in the right service to access all payroll features available to QuickBooks Online subscribers. Now carefully enter your credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your username and password, double check to ensure your information is correct, and then click continue to move forward. After logging in, head over to the Bank Transactions tab. You can find this tab easily, just look for the banking menu. If you prefer, you can use the link directly provided in your welcome email, or just search for it in the QuickBooks interface. Once you are in the Bank Transactions section, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you'll find a button labelled Link Account. Click on this and it will open up a new window where you begin the process of linking your bank account with QuickBooks Online. Now you'll be prompted to select either your credit card or bank details. Be sure to have your bank or credit card details ready, as you will need the precise information for this step. It might help to have a recent statement in front of you for accuracy. Once you've selected your account type, provide the necessary information as prompted. This includes entering your account number and any other specific details required by your institution. With your details entered, you'll need to proceed with logging into your bank using the same credentials you use for online banking. This step is crucial because it allows QuickBooks to securely access your bank information to manage transactions. This connection is secured so you can rest assured that your data's privacy is maintained. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have your bank account linked with QuickBooks Online Payroll. This will allow for more than just seamless tax payments and employee compensation. It's also a step towards efficient financial management within your business. Remember, keeping your financial data integrated and organized is vital. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.